Hey guys, JF from JF Kustoms, winner of the prestigious Riddler Award and also Trendsetter of the Year at SEMA. Hey listen, we all have problems in our shops. We all have problems even in our home shops. Keeping things clean, keeping things tidy, keeping things organized. And today, I'm gonna explain to you what we went through, a little journey we went through this week. We went from having a wall that was cluttered, disorganized, hard to work around, and really, you know what it's like. It just ends up being a catch-all for whatever you're doing at the shop. We went and transformed that one space only and turned it into something that's efficient, organized, and something that's really gonna help make us some money. All right, we're at the point now where we get to unwrap these brand new cabinets from Rousseau Metals and put all of this stuff back in, boxes and parts and tools. That should really clean the place up. So check this out. Doesn't it look awesome? Not only is it visually appealing, and let me tell you that matters to clients when they come into your shop, it also functions amazing. There's some super cool vertical drawers that are really working well for us. They can store a lot of stuff, it segregates, and you can visually see what you're picking out of the shelf. I can't say enough about what presentation that means to my clients when they walk in the door. It doesn't matter if it's parts that we've organized, or tools, or inventory. We've got a better grasp on everything in these boxes. In the exact same square footage of wall space, I've now got a workstation, I've got tool storage, I've got inventory and parts storage, and I've got even a spot for my computer so that I can go on the internet and research what I'm fixing. I can't say enough about my Rousseau toolbox cabinets. They're gorgeous, they work perfect, the quality is exceptional, they're made here in North America, and they're gonna save me time, and time is money.